Hello and welcome back to the Azure DevOps from Zero to Hero course. In this lesson, we'll talk about Azure DevOps billing, so we know our Azure DevOps free services and what we are paying for, and also we'll talk about Azure DevOps access levels. So let's start talking about Azure DevOps billing from Microsoft Azure documentation. We have two plans if you want to add users. There is a basic plan. This basic plan has first 5 users for free. Then you have to bill $6 per user per month. And we have the testing plans. This will help you if you need more advanced testing features like test planning, tracking, and user acceptance testing, centralized reporting of the testing. So we will use the basic plan. This basic plan, we will use it. In this basic plan, for the Azure pipelines, we have somehow limited features, like for the Azure pipelines here, we can run only one Microsoft hosted CI/CD job. So in Azure DevOps, you are paying per job. You can't run parallel jobs without paying for another job. So you have one free Microsoft hosted CI/CD job and one free self-hosted CI/CD job, and that's for private projects. Now we are talking about private projects. For public projects, we have more enough features and it give us more jobs. And so for the private projects here, we have one Microsoft hosted job with a 800 minutes per month, and we have one self-hosted job with unlimited minutes per month. So we have to take care about our jobs, and if we want to run another parallel jobs, we have to pay for that job. So if you want another Microsoft CI/CD parallel job, you have to pay $40. And if you want another self-hosted CI/CD parallel job, we will pay $15. And also for the Azure artifacts, we have only 200 gigabyte free for the Azure artifacts. This Azure artifacts is for your like Nugget packages, Maven and NPM Python packages. If you want to publish it in a centralized artifact server, you can use Azure artifacts, but you have only 2 gigabyte for free. And that's all for private projects. If you are using public projects, you have a lot of more features, like if you go down here. So for the public projects, you have 10 free parallel jobs for the Microsoft CI/CD jobs. And if you are using a self-hosted parallel jobs, you have unlimited number of jobs. So if you are planning to use your self-hosted agents, you can use unlimited jobs with unlimited minutes per month. So if you are planning to use your project as open source public project, you will have a lot of more features to use. And in our course, I will make a public project with all the pipelines we will do in the course and the releases. Everything we will do will be in a public project, so you can have access to it, and so we can do more demos with this more features, like the unlimited self-hosted jobs and 10 free parallel jobs. So it will help us a lot, and you can also view my work. You all will have a read access for it. So that's all for the Azure DevOps billing. Also, I want to talk about access levels. In Azure DevOps, you have for the basic plan, first 5 users for free, but this is for the basic user. This user can use the pipelines, can do whatever you want based on the permission you are giving it to him. But if you want to use another access level, like stakeholder access level, you have unlimited users. You can have unlimited stakeholder users, but this stakeholder user have a limited access for the private project, can only read the pipelines, view the pipelines. So this stakeholder access level is ideal for those who need restricted features, like viewing work items and dashboards and anything in Azure board. So this isn't for someone who is building pipeline or having a deployment. He only has a view access for the dashboards and the pipelines. And that's all for this lecture. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next lecture. We'll start making our Azure DevOps organization.